It's cotton candy clouds.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a get ready with me. I'm going to be doing my hair from start to finish. It's a very simple look that anybody can achieve, and it looks really pretty, and it looks like you put in a lot of effort when you didn't. But anyways, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Hey divas, so as you guys can see, I look crazy, so we need to do some transforming, okay? So first I'm going to start off with a heat protectant. This one is the one by Tresemme. I absolutely love this. I've been using this for years. And I'm just going to go ahead and take a paddle brush so that I can make sure that I distribute that throughout my hair. Now I did prep my hair with oil as well. So if you guys see a little bit of smoke, that is what it is. That's it. That's all. I'm just doing one pass. And this is I can't remember the name of the flat irons. I'll try to link in the description box below. These are a little bit pricey. They're about $100 or so. But I do have the ones that are more affordable, and I'll leave those in the description box as well. So now I just sectioned off my hair, and I'm going to begin laying my hair. I'm just going to take some Pump It Up spray on each section and comb it back and make sure it's like nice and flat and sleek. And then I'm going to go over it with the blow dryer, and I'm going to do that to all 3 sections. I find that this is more easy for me to get like a sleek ponytail, and I absolutely love the result. I feel like it looks really good. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and take the other 2 sections and do the exact same thing. Now that that's all done, I'm just going to take a bundle of braiding hair, and I'm going to be adding that to my ponytail so that we can get that perfect top knot. I'm just using one bundle. It depends on how thick you want your knot to be, but I didn't want, your top knot, excuse me. I didn't want it to be like that big, so I'm just using one bundle. But you know, it's all on personal preference, and it's super easy because it already comes attached with a rubber band. So you just basically go ahead and attach that to your hair. So it's just like the old days when we used to do the braiding hair on the ponytail. So super easy. Now I am going to do this portion over later because I didn't like the way that twist looked with the hair. I just felt like it didn't correlate well. But I'm basically here, I mean, and it was cute, but I just felt like it didn't really correlate well with my half wig. But I'm just taking it, twisting it into, as you guys seen, and wrapping it around. Yeah, I don't really like the way it looks with the hair, like I said before, but you will basically take the same steps. I'm going to unravel it and just twist it, like not with 2, just basically just twist it on its own, and go in and reinforce my top knot because I just didn't like the way it looks. But it's basically the same steps, but I did want to make sure that I let you guys know like what I did, and just in case somebody out there might like the first style better. Now I'm going to go in with my half wig. I'm going to be using the beautiful Annie half wig by Outre. I have her in the color number 1, and we are going to be using this for our down portion. So as you guys know, or if you don't, the half wig does come with 2 combs, one large comb at the front and then a
smaller one at the back with the adjustable straps. I'm just gonna go ahead and take that and put that right into my head, where I left off with my wig cap. So I did just go ahead and part my hair in half, and I'm just placing it inside of there. You might want to cornrow your head, but my head is big, so it's fine. As you guys can see. But yeah, it was a super easy application, and it's not going anywhere. If you have a smaller head, definitely use bobby pins, but my head is big, so I can get away with it. Okay, girl? But yeah, so as I told you guys before, I'm just going in and reinforcing my little top knot because I just didn't like the way it looked. But I mean, looking at it now, like, I could have left well enough alone, but you know, your girl is just extra. But anyways, this is the final look, and I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll finish out with my closing thoughts.
Okay, divas, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. I will be having some get ready with me's coming out that will be with the outfit too, but I just wanted to start off with something like light and get into the swing of like doing get ready with me's, because I haven't done them in like so long. So I just wanted to do it, and I also was requested by quite a few of you to do a top knot bun with my half wig, so I wanted to show you guys like how I would do that. Today I'm just wearing, like, honestly, I'm just wearing this bodysuit because you guys can't see the bottom half, but I thought it would be cute, and I just paired it with like some very chic accessories. I wanted to do something simple, and honestly, I didn't want to put in the effort to go out and just take a picture, you know, in a simple outfit. So but what I would pair with this is probably like some jeans and either some cute flats or some like booty heels. I just have on this watch. I'm trying out this watch because I'm appreciating my little accessories again, because I haven't worn accessories in so long, but it's really cute. I got it from Amazon. I will be doing a full video on it because I have another one as well. And then I have on these earrings. These earrings are from Amazon as well. They're like the retro door knocker earrings, and I really love them. I felt like they went really good with this, and just not too much because I really love this just this like ruching over here with the shirt. Hopefully you guys can see it, and this shirt is from Rainbow, and it was only like $12. So this is a very simple and affordable look, like all the way around. I cannot wait to share with you guys, like, get ready with me when I can show you guys my outfits and share with you guys like where I got my outfits from and stuff like that. But anyways, divas, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know by giving me a thumbs up or leave me a comment down below, and let me know what kind of get ready with me's you guys want to see besides like the typical normal ones. And be sure to make sure that you are subscribed, girl, and make sure you hit that notification bell too, because I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my upcoming videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.